everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Spicy account on your Spicy app using Android. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now launch open Spicy application to get started on your mobile device. Also make sure that you are logged into your Spicy account, and once you are, tap on the human icon located at the bottom right hand corner. This will open up your profile. Now tap the gear button from your profile appearing at the top right, and then under settings tap on account. At the bottom of the account menu, you'll be able to see delete account option. Tap on it and tap on delete account in the pop-up. You also have an option to hide your profile for a time being and come back when you like. In today's video, since we are getting rid of the account, let's tap on delete account. Select one of the region while you are trying to get rid of your account, and after you are done, give your feedback in the next pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete your account for Spicy. Tap OK in the pop-up and you'll be redirected to your main interface for Spicy app. That is how you can easily delete your Spicy account with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.